Hey guys, so welcome to the first episode of Getting Geography series. This video is full of your must-knows for physical geography. As you know, there are actually two segments of geography. One is physical, one is human. Physical is more of the built environment and the natural environment, while human is more of the human phenomenon and stuff like that. For example, tourism and housing. So let's jump straight in. So these are some important lines that you need to know. Equator, of course. Equator is at 0 degrees on the north to south. Prime meridian is 0 degrees east to west. Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degrees north. Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees north, Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degrees south. And GMT means Greenwich Mean Time, and a fun fact is that Greenwich is actually a town in the UK, and it's actually the town at which the time is measured. GMT is measured, and time is also measured using the prime meridian as well. There are 3 different climates: tropics, temperate, and polar climate. They all have very, very different characteristics. And for the tropics, the characteristics is that it is located 23.5 degrees north and 23.5 degrees south of the equator, and it's between the tropics of Cancer and tropics of Capricorn. It has high temperatures. Only one season has the greatest amount of sunshine in the whole world and has high precipitation rates. As for temperate climate characteristics, it's located 35 degrees to 60 degrees north and 35 degrees to 60 degrees south of the equator, has 4 seasons. Polar climate characteristics is that it's located 65 degrees to 90 degrees north and 65 degrees to 90 degrees south of the equator, has 2 seasons only, summer and winter. Summer temperatures rarely above 15 degrees, winter temperatures rarely above 0. So it's very, very extreme. Now let's go back to some other terms that you might need to know, but it's not included in this slide. I didn't type it out. So firstly is latitude. Latitude has different lengths because it's the distance in degrees north and south of equator and runs in the east-west direction. So the equator is the longest line of latitude. So that kind of gives you some idea about what latitude is. For longitude, it doesn't have different lengths. Instead, it's the distance in degrees east and west of the prime meridian, and it runs in the north-south direction, and the prime meridian passes through Greenwich. That's why they measure it at GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. For the international date line, it's 180 degrees, and it's opposite the side of the prime meridian. So what's the relationship between latitude and temperature? Is that at or near the equator, sun's rays strike at 90 degrees right angle, and solar radiation is concentrated over a smaller area, so that place has higher temperature. So happens that tropics is near the equator. That's why the tropics have very high temperatures. Further from the equator, sun's rays strike at a lower angle, so solar radiation is spread out over a larger area. That's why temperatures are decreased, temperatures are lower. That's why there are 4 seasons. The reason why regions around equator is warmer is not because it is nearer to the sun. That's like misconception, but it's more of what are the angles of the rays. Now, one very, very important geography skill that you need to know is climographs, how to read climographs. Climographs usually are talking about the average monthly temperature and average monthly rainfall. I'll be posting another video about how to answer geography related exam questions, so do keep a lookout for that as I teach you how to answer climograph questions. Now, to give a short teaser into what is going to happen in the next episode, let me tell you what weather and climate are. Weather is the conditions of the atmosphere at a specific time over a relatively short period of time, maybe let's say 6 months, 1 year, while climate is the average weather conditions over a specific place over a considerable period of time. By considerable, it means 30 to 35 years. That's how long it is. Now, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. For a comprehensive set of notes, head over to Carousel at The Daydreamer over here and PM me the discount code in bold here to enjoy a $5 discount. Till the next video, see you!